Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create draw table in Affinity Publisher on laptop. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document on our laptop device. Now we want to create draw table to this document. Firstly, go to the window menu and enable the pages section, and we can see here show the all pages very easily. Now we go to a page. Now I double click on this page to go to this, then go to the tools section and select the table tool. Now we want to draw this table on this page. Now we can see we draw a table very easily. Then go back again the tools section and select the move tool, then select this table. Now we can see we draw a table very easily. You can resize this table, otherwise you can add extra columns or rows. Double click on the table inside, then select this arrow, and you can see here the column number. Now I select and write 5, then press enter, and we can see we make the column 5. Otherwise you can add row. Select this option, and we can see here row is 10. Now you add 15 row, write 15, then press enter. Now we can see we insert or draw a table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.